Everybody, as we know that we are going to celebrate Teachers Day on 5 September. So on the eve of Teachers Day, every student participate many activities. Okay, so that is why this speech can be very important for you. By the speech, you can impress your teacher. By the speech, you can participate in the activity, especially speech activity. Okay, so that is why this speech can be very valuable and important for you. Generally, it happens when we stand on any stage. So be feel fear. Okay, be feel low confidence because we have no thoughts what to speak and how to speak. Okay, but whenever you speak, whenever you start speaking, at the beginning you have such a problem. After that you automatically gain confidence automatically and start speaking. Okay, that is why keep yourself always on challenging condition, on challenging situation, so that you can prove yourself. Ultimately the thing can make you perfect, that is done frequently, that is done frequently. That fairness can be defeated when you are really participate again and again in a same activity or in the same task. Stage fear also a problem. Stage fear can be drained or can be down when you frequently go to the stage. Am I right? Same thing, English can be learned when you speak English always. Understand? That body can be built when you go for the gym and exercise daily. Brain can be sharp when you always solve mathematical things, logical things. Okay? Understand? So the solution of the problem is ultimately the problem. Solution of the problem is ultimately the problem. Okay, why you are coming here for a study? For better future. The you study here, you learn many things, you learn many things. Number of subject you study here, number of chapters you study here. For what? For exam. Ultimately the same thing will be asked in your exam. That is why. So the let's come to the point. The point is a Teachers Day. Why we celebrate Teachers Day? Teachers Day is a symbol of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday, because Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the president of India, decided that his birthday will be celebrated as a Teachers Day in India, because he was teacher and became president of the country. So to give the honor for the teachers, he started celebrating Teachers Day on the eve of his birthday. Okay, that is generally, or that is every year comes on 5 September. Why the teacher is important, why teacher is necessary, why teacher is honored, why teacher is respected? Why? Because really only the three-person can change the world: mother, father and teacher. Mother is a initial teacher of the initial stage. Mother is our primary teacher. Primary in the sense the initial stage, teacher of the initial stage, that teach us how to speak, how to walk, how to talk. Okay, and then father. Father teaches us the important things. How can be strong, how can be confident, how can be participate in any activities, how can be best in society, how can we earn a name and fame. That is earned by the teacher. And ultimately the teacher of your schools and colleges teach you variety of subjects, teach you worldly knowledge, what is happening in the country, what was the history, what will be the future. They teach you everything, because the every subject can never be taught by your parents, but your school teacher can teach many subjects, because there are so many teachers in the school. If we think about the teacher, teacher is the only profession that always think of your progress, always think about your progress. Whether I am a common teacher, but I think of you to be a collector, I think you to be a politician, president, prime minister of the country, So the teacher is a person that always think you to be more better than him. Always. I always think, whether you are my student, but I think you can be collector, you can be scientist, you can be prime minister, you can be minister, you can be president, you can be everything. Teacher and parents, only the three person in the country that always want you to be better than them. Okay. Who is the best teacher? Teacher is not best who is best in himself. Teacher is the best who can make you like him. Teacher is the best who can make you like him. That is the best teacher. There are number of examples of teachers and their dignities. Number of example be read from history. The Dronacharya, great teacher, who gave all power to his student, or who gave more power to his student than his own son. Ashwasthama was the son of Dronacharya, but Arjun was more powerful than Ashwasthama, because Arjun has a more power than Ashwasthama. So I think he did not discriminate between son and disciple. He treated equally, but here I say that he treated Arjun more better than his own son. Okay. We talk about the teacher, that is why we say teacher is not common, that creation and destruction played in his lap. शिक्षक कोई साधारण नहीं होता, कहते हैं ना, सृजन और विनाश उसकी गोद में खेलते हैं। आज के शिक्षकों को देख के ये बात थोड़ी हास्यास्पद जरूर लगती है, अरे हो सर तो साइकिल से जा रहे हैं, गरीब घर से हैं, और बड़ी बातें तो हो रही हैं, सृजन और विनाश उसकी गोद में खेलते हैं। तो ये एक टीचर की बात नहीं हो रही है, यह उन टीचर्स की बात हो रही है जिन्होंने सच में ऐसा कुछ कर दिखाया। थिंक अबाउट द चाणक्य एंड चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य. Chandragupta Maurya was a common shepherd who used to go to graze his goat every day. Sheep, bhed. He was the grazener of sheep. That is called the shepherd, grazener. And ultimately he become the ruler, Samrat of Akhand Bharat, Chandragupta Maurya. Ultimately, Chanakya was there behind Chandragupta Maurya to make him ruler of the Akhand Bharat, Samrat of Akhand Bharat. It means that teacher has unlimited power, unlimited potential, and unlimited vision to make your future better. Teacher knows you more than you. Just as doctor knows you more than you. Doctor knows your disease, doctor knows your problem more than you. In the same way, teacher knows your ability and disability more than you. That is why blindly we should believe on teacher. Blindly we should believe on teacher. मात पिता और गुरु की वाणी बिना विचार करे सुख जानी. Understand? The indication of the line is that mother, father and teachers statements, advice, suggestion should be accepted without observation, should be accepted without question. Okay? And the teacher always give you motivational things because they know your quality, what quality you have. Many times students are confused what to do. Ultimately, teacher leads you in the right direction. Teacher guides you. That's why the person is really unfortunate. The person is really unlucky that who has no any teacher, who has no any guide, who has no any motivator, who has no any instructor. So the person is really unlucky. That's why always follow the teachers. Number of teachers give you the knowledge of new things, many things. Okay. How should the student? Student should be very punctual, very sincere, and ultimately obediently. Okay. The teacher's work is worthless if the student is not cooperating. If the student is not sincere, that all the teaching activities are worthless, useless. because there should be two things. We say that in no common word that it makes two to make a quarrel. एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती. Second thing is that just as the receiver emitter is working, in the same way receiver should be active. ठीक है? If I am transmit something, so you should receive something. I continue transmit, but you but nothing received, so result will be zero. So the student should be always ready to learn something. And how should be the students? काक चेष्टा बको ध्यानम स्वान निंद्रा अल्पाहारी ग्रह त्यागी विद्यार्थी पंचलक्षणम. ओके, काक चेष्टा बको ध्यानम, कौवे की तरह चेष्टा, बगले की तरह ध्यान, कुत्ते की तरह नींद, ग्रह त्यागी अल्पाहारी, विद्यार्थी पंचलक्षणम. Students should be like that. And you have heard the one thing, somewhere, एके नापि सुपुत्रेण सह सौभिपति निर्भया सहब दशभि पुत्रेण भारम बहति राशभि. ठीक, with a single child, Linus is daring. In spite of having single child, Linus is daring, king of the forest, and simultaneously having 10 childs, that donkey carry the burden. It means in Hindi that एक सुपुत्र पुत्र के होते हुए शेरनी निर्भय होकर सोती है, और 10-10 पुत्रों के होते हुए भी गधी बोझा ढोती है. एक पुत्र होता है, शेरनी निर्भय होकर सोती है कि मेरा बेटा बाहर खड़ा है, किसी की मजाल नहीं इस एरिया में घुस जाए, उसका बेटा बाहर है. और एक गधी 10 पुत्र के होते हुए भी गधी बोझा ढोती. इसका मतलब ऐसा पुत्र या पुत्री बनो कि आपके माता पिता सेफ महसूस करें. अब आपको उनके सेफ की, आपको उनसे संरक्षण की आवश्यकता नहीं है, अब आपको उन्हें संरक्षण देने की आवश्यकता है कि वो सेफ महसूस करें हर प्रकार से, इकोनॉमिकली, फिजिकली, फाइनेंशियली, मेंटली, इन एवरी एस्पेक्ट दे फील फ्री फॉर देमसेल्फ. हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? व्हेन देयर सन इज डिफरेंट एंड एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. और ये कोई होता थोड़ी बाय बर्थ. नोबडी इज अ जीनियस बाय बर्थ. एवरीवन कैन बी जीनियस by practice, while learning. When the child is born, it is a normal child, but when the same child grow, then he collects some identities, he makes some identities with him. He is called according to his work, according to his selection of life. He may be scientist, doctor, prime minister, ministers, or according to his choice. He can be, according to his ability, he can be singer, dancer, performer, actor, anything. So how should be the student? I told you. Sometimes it happens we are unable to distinguish what is good and what is bad. Are you listening, Sania? Sometimes we are unable to distinguish goodness and badness, good things and bad things. What is right? So there is a test that is called mama test, mummy test, we can call it mummy test. Okay, the test is that if something is being done by you, if you are doing something, so image the picture of your mother in your brain, in your mind. Image the picture of your mother in your mind and think, if this point, if on this point, on this spot, if my mother were there, if my mother were here, so will she happy or will she upset? If your answer, absolutely my mother says you are doing well, then your work is okay. Or if your answer is no, my mother will be upset, that what are you doing, it means that you should stop that doing, working that. ममा टेस्ट का मतलब, अगर कोई आप काम कर रहे हो तो ममा टेस्ट का मतलब होता है कि अपनी मम्मी का चेहरा याद करो दिमाग में, उस सोचो अगर मेरी मम्मी यहाँ होती तो वो क्या कहती, शाबाश मेरी बेटी या शाबाश मेरे बेटा, तुझसे यही उम्मीद थी, या वो ये कहेंगे कि बेटा तुझसे ये उम्मीद तो नहीं थी. तो कल्पना करके देख लो कि अगर लग रहा है कि वो हाँ कहती अच्छा है तो चलने दो, अगर वो कहती ना ये नहीं करना, जैसे अगर आप किसी स्टेज पे बोलोगे तो आपकी मम्मी क्यों मना करेंगे, उन्हें तो गर्व होगा हमारी बेटी बोल रही, हमारा बेटा बोल रहा है. और अगर आप मान लीजिए कोई लड़का कहीं पे बढ़िया पाउच खोल के और खा रहा है, बाथरूम में जाके कुछ भी लिख रहा है, तो क्या मम्मी क्या बोलेंगी, वाह बेटा मुझे यही उम्मीद थी तुझसे, या बोलेगी नालायक नास बेटे, इसी के लिए पैदा हुआ था, पूरे खानदान की नाक कटा रहा है। तो ये अपने आप खुद ही सेल्फ कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हैं। अब लोग कहते हैं दैट स्टूडेंट आस्क सर हाउ कैन बी हैव अ मोटिवेशन। Nobody motivates you. Nobody motivates you. In the world, only the three people can change your life, and they are really your well wisher. Parents and teacher. They are really your well wisher, and I can't give you the full guarantee of teachers too. Some of them are really sincere. Some of them are really honest for you, but the most of the selfish. Otherwise, the world is a bunch of crooks. Only your teacher and parents are your real well wisher. Okay, so who gives you motivation? Nobody will motivate you. Nobody can motivate you. You should have a strong desire from your inner side to change the world, to change yourself, and the changing start from your family. if your mother if your mother is using old slipper with many joints, and boys are drinking beer, what a life, shame on them. अगर मान लीजिए, मोटिवेशन कहाँ से आता है हिंदी में बता दूं तो ज़्यादा प्रभावशाली रहेगा। कोई मोटिवेट नहीं कर सकता। अगर मम्मी पता चला कि चप्पल में जोड़ लगा के पहन रही हैं, बाप जूते कपड़े थेगड़ा लगा लगा के पहन रहा है, और बच्चे पता चला कि बियर का घूंट मार रहे हैं, बीड़ी पी रहे हैं, सिगरेट पी रहे हैं, अरे ऐसे बच्चों को चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब जाना चाहिए। ये मोटिवेशन की बात है। अगर आपकी स्थितियाँ घर की खराब हैं तो किसका इंतजार कर रहा है भाई? क्यों रोग आ रहा है? कौन बदलने आएगा? आपको बदलना पड़ेगा। बदलो उनको, करो। कैसे बदलोगे? आपके पास हथियार है, किताब है आपके हाथ में, दैट कैन चेंज द वर्ल्ड। दुनिया की सारी जायदाद आपके हाथ में है, वो है आपका नॉलेज। दुनिया के सारे काम ज्ञान से ही होते हैं। अगर आपके पास है तो बदल के धर दो, क्या दिक्कत है? घर की स्थितियाँ दिख नहीं रही, अगर किसी के घर में छोटा मोटा घर है, बैठने की जगह नहीं है, तो क्या उसी में जीवन काट दोगे क्या? कल्पना करो कि एक दिन बड़ा हो जाएगा। कैसे हो जाएगा? लेकिन सिर्फ कल्पना करने से नहीं होगा, कल्पना के साथ साथ मेहनत इतनी खामोशी से करो कि सफलता शोर मचा दे। तो वही करना है। तो ये है कुल मिला के कि मोटिवेशन की कहीं ज़रूरत थोड़ी पड़ती है। मोटिवेशन तो हमारे अंदर से आता है। ये परिस्थितियाँ आपको मोटिवेट करती हैं। हम मोहल्ले पड़ोस में देखकर भी सीख सकते हैं, परंतु हमें नकारात्मक बातें नहीं सीखना। ध्यान ये रहे कि दिखावे के पीछे मत भागो। डोंट रन आफ्टर द सोइंग। सोइंग बहुत चल रही है, दिखावा नहीं। ऑलवेज अर्न ओरिजिनल सक्सेस इन लाइफ। अच्छी जीवन में वास्तविक सफलता कमाओ। तो ये है, स्टूडेंट से कहने का यही मतलब रहता है कि अगर टीचर्स कहते हैं, अगर आग जल रही है और टीचर्स कहते हैं बेटा कूद जाओ, पहले कूदना है। अगर मान लो मगरमच्छ से भरी नदी है और टीचर कहता है बेटा कूद जाओ, तो बिना कारण पूछे पहले कूदना है। नहीं तो पूछ रहे नहीं सर जी हमें मगर खा जाए, नहीं सर जी आग लग जाएगी, सर जी पहले आप कूद के बताओ। तो ये नहीं करना, नहीं तो मास्टर साहब को और कूदवा दिया, 4-5 लोगों ने पकड़ के मास्टर साहब ही को डाल दिया आग में। ये काम नहीं करना। तो ये है कि टीचर जो है वो आपके जीवन को बदलता है। टीचर्स फिल्स द कलर इन योर ब्लैंक पेपर ऑफ लाइफ। टीचर saves your life when the child is a normally child. That is why we call teacher by the different names. Sometimes we call it the potter, one who makes pot. If the student is a clay, normal clay, that teacher gives shapes in that clay. He makes a beautiful pot. At the common clay, it transform into the beautiful pot. But not only beautiful pot, but number of things he can make. That is called the teacher. Okay, teacher is really number of example you have heard in history, that how the teacher became the very teacher played the important role for the students happiness. Think about the Dronacharya and Arjun both were fighting, but ultimately the Dronacharya was lost and Arjun was winner. Okay, how? Because the Dronacharya did not want to kill his students, because he loved him very much. So that is why the teacher is a person who loves his student more than his own children. Okay, that's why we always respect teacher and we always follow the guidance of the teacher. Our life can be better, our life can be happy. Okay, it's sufficient for today. टीचर डे पे तो मैं और भी ज़्यादा बोल सकता हूँ, लेकिन इतना काफ़ी है, बहुत सारी बातें हैं बोलने के लिए तो, ठीक है।